Hello, I have here a wheel stretching tool. So I already inserted a wheel, and if you want to make it a little bit larger, you can hammer this down while you're rotating the wheel to change the diameter tiny little bit. So there's a couple of those inserts here. Let's put a little bit more distance. And they have different shapes. There's 4 of them. Little bit different shape, and here on the tool with this knob you can change the distance. This is possible to rotate. I did not try it with this one. I guess you can change the height here of the anvil, and so here when I have a wheel and I find the correct hole, this one is too small, so you can put it in here like this, and then put it on the correct spot. This one have an orientation with the pin. So then I could decide to hammer this down. Tuck, 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 while I'm rotating. This goes in a vise. So yeah, that's how it looks, to my opinion. Small tool comes in a box like this. Okay, thank you for watching.